It's your boy. Shout out to the werewolf gang. Big shout out to the like crew. You already know how I feel about you. Likings, baby. Well, today, man, I'm gonna get straight to the point, man. I ain't gonna play no games. I got a young modification for Carnage, but before we do that, I'll make sure my lips is good. Before we do that, we're gonna give you a nice little cold start from Carnage. I ain't started Carnage in like maybe 2 weeks, maybe?
Yeah.
So last time I started Carnage is when I put those spiked lug nuts on there. So let's see what he's talking about. Let's see if he even gonna wake up. You know how Dodge be doing it. They make you have to reset the car and everything. Let's see. Carnage, rise. With firecrackers, it was firecrackers. It was loud, wasn't it? That thing was loud. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and pull Carnage out so we can get on here and get to this video so we can get it on and get it over with. You know what I'm saying? But matter of fact, hold on, let's check my outfit out. I got the fat shoes on. My fiance called them fat shoes. I got the fat shoes on.
They are fat shoes.
I got the fatties on. I got the fat boys on. Woo! Shooty doody cootie Rudy. Oh. I'm looking good today, baby. Look at them guns.
Okay.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Health as well. Ooh. You ain't got to be rich as long as you healthy, you wealthy. Bam. I'm gonna pull Carnage out real quick. Yep, we'll get right to it. In a second, I'm gonna get right back to y'all when I get everything set up. I'll be right back. I didn't tighten the lug nuts on here, as you can see. When I first put them on, I didn't tighten the lug nuts. So all I really gotta do is go here and put a little oomph into it, and they come right off. Now, once I change the color of these bad boys, I will have them on there super tight. So if I catch you by my car trying to take my lug nuts off, I'm gonna knock a lug nut out of you. I'm just being real with you now. I ain't the toughest, you know what I'm saying, werewolf in the world, but you're gonna have to prove to me that you're tougher than me. So, it is what it is. See how easy they come off? It's like candy. Put these right there. Make sure my little critters don't run away on me. I hear him over there somewhere.
Where's Honey? Honey, say hey, girl. Say hi.
Ooh, my hands gonna be dirty than a mom. Look at my hands, I already dirty. Look at that. I really gotta fart a little bit.
Wow. Look at Bear.
Oops.
Wow.
I had to let that up out of me, you know what I'm saying?
Gotta go.
Ain't no sense in keeping it in there.
Gotta go.
Oh, man.
Don't follow me. The little booty trail.
Well, come on, man. If you act like you ain't never farted before, I don't want to hear that. You act like they ain't never farted before. Come on, man.
Nah, but the wind is blowing towards me.
Nah, I ain't talking about you. I'm talking about whoever turned their nose up on the camera. Talking about, T like farting and stuff. I sure did.
Special guest appearance. Was that another one?
What?
Did you just do another one?
No, I ain't do another one. Damn, that's how you gonna play me though?
Say if you gonna tell it.
Man, You know, I let it be known when I drop a bomb. Yeah, so we gonna go ahead and I took these off. As you can see in the beginning of the video, I showed you what it looked like with the lug nuts already black. Yeah, I already did that for you. So I took the lug nuts off. I'm gonna go ahead and paint these bad boys, and I'm gonna put them back on. And we gonna see what they look like. You know what I'm saying? Hold on.
Okay. Ooh.
You see what I'm saying? Real life werewolf, baby. Come on now. Guns.
Oh.
Health is wealth. Remember that, suckers. Still, no, honey, get away. Think that's space enough apart?
Yeah, we'll space them apart. We can adjust them.
Taking that good. What you think?
Yeah. Might have to do more than one coat.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to do more than one coat.
I feel like it's dripping. That one looks a mess. It'll be alright.
Got it colored. Now we're gonna put that clear coat on them bad boys so they can shine. GoMango shine. Yeah, they already look shiny. Yeah. We probably put 1 or 2 coats, probably about 2 or 3 coats on just to be sure.
Yeah.
I won't put them back on till tomorrow. I won't put them on till tomorrow. Give them a good chance to dry up and everything. Now let y'all see the finishing results. They're gonna be on Carnage looking real exponential like a challenge, y'all. Man, look at that. Ooh, look at what's that. Don't breathe these fumes in it, they could kill you.
Alright, we'll let that dry.
We're gonna let that dry. There go this. I believe I paid $12 for this. I'm not for sure. I'll leave a link in the description where I got it from. I got it from Napa, so.
Napa Auto Parts.
Napa Auto Parts, so. There you go. That's what it looked like, clear coat. Boom. Let me show you what the paint looked like too, Mom. At it. My bad, I didn't show y'all what the paint looked like. I got this from Napa too. This is what the paint I got. I just color match. I gave it my VIN number and boom. That's it. GoMango, as you can see. I don't see where it said that. Right there. My fat hands. GoMango, see? Bam, got that from Napa. The brand is Spray Max. What brand is that? Duplo color? Boy can't read.
Color, perfect match.
Boy can't read.
Auto part paint.
Bam, right there. That's a clear coat.
High gloss finish, dries quickly, easy to use.
Also, I can't read that good. I'm clowning, man. I can read pretty good, man. Just struggle sometimes, man. Sometimes I struggle, man. Like, damn, can you read, T-Light? It depends on how I'm feeling. When I'm feeling like a genius, let me take that on off of there so y'all can see that while we in the garage, man. Might break that out tomorrow. Oh, man, damn. Look at that, baby. That's the other one. They're like, wait, we'll never see the other bike. It's under there, man. I don't feel like taking the tarp off of it. I didn't want to take this thing off. I don't know why I be putting this pink robe on the bike either. I do.
The dust off so don't get off there.
I don't know why. I had that on there like it's a tarp. I be having it on there. I can throw a whole tarp on there. I'm just lazy.
You got a whole tarp.
Yeah, I got a whole tarp, and I be throwing the little pink thing on there, man. I'm probably whip that out, man. I'm about to start doing way more videos on the bike too, man, because I know I got some bike fans that want to see it. But I'm gonna get back to y'all in a second, man. What's up, y'all? I'm about to move cars back in the garage, man. And we're calling it a night. We're gonna go ahead and finish everything up, and then I'm gonna put them up back on tomorrow. But I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a cold start real quick. Carnage or ice. GoMango. I'm gonna holler at y'all tomorrow, man. When this video come back on, it will be tomorrow. Okay, we're gonna let those right there go ahead, the gloss, do what it do, and I'm gonna holler at y'all again tomorrow.
Damn, that's what they call me. Promise that you never